Hi everyone. So our technical report was about comparing between Uber, Zipcar, and a taxi. So as you can see, we create a website just to be like you can say unique or something new. So we create a website that contains the home page, how they work page, the pros and cons page, and the investigative method page, and the finances page, and the results, and the more bottom you can see like recommendations, references cited, and the team members. So we will start in the home page. We can see that we can find the choices and which one would you choose between as a student, like the college student, and defining the audiences and choosing communication medium. So this is the home page, and then when we go to the how they work page, we can see that an explanation of the user's experience for the three different services. There is an Uber, and Zipcar, and taxi. And here we like define each service shortly. Uh, what the service that they give us, and then when you press and learn more, you can go to the website for each service. Like if you press and learn more, you'll go to uber.com, and you press you learn more on Zipcar, you'll go to zipcar.com, and here in taxi you will go to Apache Taxi as the most popular taxi in Arizona. When you go to the pros and cons page, you can see the pros for Uber and the cons of Uber, and then after that you can find for the taxi, and then you can find here for the Zipcar. And after that, when you press in the investigative method, you can see here the question, how did we go about this project? So here we talked about how how we work on this project and how we take all this information and more. So in here that we can see like Zipcar and Taxi and Uber in Arizona State University. After that, when we go in the finances page, you can say the comparing the finance impact of each option. So basically, in the finances, we compared uh, between the three options. We compared between the Zipcar and Uber and taxi in the financial way. So here you can find the the equations that we used to calculate to calculate our calculations. So first you can find here the cash flow or flow for the Zipcar for the first plan, because Zipcar there is two plans of Zipcar. You can find here the plan 2 for Zipcar, and you can read more here. And then there's a cash flow for Uber, and then there's a cash flow for taxi. And then here you can see the HUD calculations. You can go over it, and here how we did the HUD calculations. After that, we can go to the results page. You can find here like a description of the results, and we put the result in a table so we can see like the months and like the travel charts and the total money out, and you can see for the Uber, taxi, and Zipcar. And here there is there's a graph. You can find the sensitivity analysis. You can see here the net present cost over time, and then here you can see a table that shows the discount rate, and it's for the Zipcar Plan 1, Zipcar Plan 2, Uber, Taxi, and here the rates versus net percent cost for each one. After that, when you go to the more page, you can find three options. First we'll go to the recommendations, and we can see here Uber, and then the references cited, and then the group member. Here. So Jalen worked on the uh, on the on the finances and for the equations and in the calculations. Brianna created the website, and actually all of the group members can share their options in each page. Like if anyone has an idea, he can put it, and then we can share it together. So you can say like it's a group work. And thank you.